Okay, Jenica and I are working on popping some studs out of a hub. She's working the hydraulic press. She's checking it, make sure everything looks good. What do you think, Jenica? We good?
I think it's good.
All right. Actuate, girl. Push it down. There we go. Good. Nope, don't stick it. Not yet. Put it, stick it down, release a little bit. Now stick your hand under there once it's released.
Oh, I got it!
Bam! Look at that. Jenica's really only about 3 feet tall. That's why she looks this tall. Look, she's not even taller than the press. Okay, rotate. Make sure it pops through, and support as much of the hub as you can with the blocks. Check underneath, just make sure she's clean.
Don't want to bend the knuckle.
No, the hub.
Oh,
Don't
wait.
bend the hub.
Just kidding.
Yep.
So it doesn't have to be center, right? It's
No.
just as long as...
It's enough. I mean, you could put it center if you want, but it doesn't have to be perfectly center. As long as it's pushing it down, because it's pushing it down axially, so it doesn't matter. As long as you cover the whole top of the bolt, or the stud, you're good. Bring it, girl. And here's the hand actuator that she's working with. And let it release. Now you can stick your hand under it. Money.
Oh, it didn't release like last time.
It did. It's just...
No, it didn't pop down my hand.
There we go. Just leave it in the box, that's fine. Nice job, girl. Okay, now we're working on putting in an ARP extended stud into this hub, and Jenica is just placed the pieces on there so that make sure that it'll press in properly and it's supported properly. Okay, Jenica, get to work.
Okay.
And here's the final part. Now listen to it. Listen to it. See how it won't go anymore?
That's it.
And then release it. There you go. Release it all the way up.
All the way up.
And then make sure you lock it back down once it gets to the top.
Oh, it's all the way to the top?
Yep. Rotate. No, the other way. Tighten.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's all. Oh, I was like expecting
Yeah, tighten a little more. There you go. And then put it up at the top. Now, flip that thing over and let's see what it looks like. And your first extended stud.
Holy.
Bam! And see, notice how it's flush with that mounting surface?
Right here. Right?
Yep, totally flush. Good job, girl. Now look at the camera and smile. Your first stud. Aww. Okay, so Jenica's laying down the last one, and since you couldn't fit it in between, we're using the socket. It's pushing it. There's the whole extended side, and she's going to push it right in there. See the socket right there.
Okay.
She's pressing in. Is it all the way in?
No, not yet. I'm just...
Okay. Position it. Good.
There you go.
Go for it, girl. And listen to the press. She's finished. And just check it. Is it down in there flush? Hit it one more time, please. It's finished. All right, good job, girl. And then release that. And then show me your first hub with extended studs that you pressed in yourself. And then you're gonna have to lift it all the way up and then make sure the socket doesn't go flying off of there. Lift. Bam! Extended studs, her first hub. Nice job, girl.
This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track.